y'all, my name is Hallie and thank you for clicking on my video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make some chocolate covered strawberries that you can bring to date night or take to a Valentine's Day party or just eat alone at home, because that's what I'll be doing. Thank you to today's sponsor, my mom. I couldn't do it without you, and I just wanted to make it perfectly clear that this is my bonus holiday upload. So I will have my regular upload, a Valentine's Day comedy, in the description at the end of the video and up in one of these corners. So here we go. So to start off, you're going to want to take some candy melts or almond bark chocolate and melt it in the microwave according to the directions on the package. And once you get that nice and creamy, you're going to take your strawberries that are all washed and dried. It's very important that they're dry. And grab one and gather up all the little green leaves and dunk it in the chocolate. Then kind of move it back and forth sideways, kind of gently to get all the excess chocolate off. Then set it on a parchment-lined baking sheet. And then while it's still wet, take some Valentine's Day sprinkles. I chose these hearts and some little balls. And while the chocolate is still hot or wet or whatever you want to say, stick them on. If you want to get really fancy, you can take one of your dried strawberries and you can drizzle a little bit more chocolate over it with the same color or a different one if that's what you want. And here's Echo in her Valentine's Day sweater and her natural state, begging.
Your love is rated X. That means you're extraordinary.
So that was the video. I hope it helped you guys, and peace out.